Well, close to 1 year later, more than 10,000 people have died from COVID-19 in Alabama. Alabama is getting close to 500,000 people who were infected by the virus. However, a former state health officer and president of the Alabama Hospital Association says advanced technology used to develop the vaccine deserves credit, even with those startling numbers.
That's the dark side. I mean, the other side is probably one of the miracles of modern medicine, and that is the vaccine development.
Dr. Williamson says the shortest amount of time he's seen a vaccine developed took 5 years.